This is a basic math question. It says an architect is making a scale model of a building that she is designing. The building will be 125 feet tall. On the model, 4 centimeters will represent 5 feet. How tall does her model need to be? We're going to make an equivalent fraction here where we have 4 centimeters equals 5 feet, and then we're going to put our feet underneath there, and we're going to solve for this. We're going to cross multiply, and then when we get that answer, we're going to divide that answer by 5. Go ahead and solve that. Choose your correct answer.